Is your lawn looking patchy, dull, or full of weeds? You're not alone. In Indiana, keeping a lawn healthy year-round takes more than just mowing. Changing weather, soil conditions, and seasonal stress can quickly damage your yard. Without proper care, your lawn can lose its color, strength, and curb appeal. That's where L Lawncare comes in. Since 2005, we've been helping homeowners across Northwest Indiana maintain strong, healthy, and great-looking lawns. We offer complete lawn care services including mowing, fertilization, weed control, and seasonal cleanups. Need better soil and stronger roots? Our aeration and overseeding services help your lawn breathe and grow thicker. Looking to upgrade your outdoor space? Our landscaping services can transform your yard into something you'll enjoy every day. And during winter, we handle snow removal to keep your property safe and accessible. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions.